The word against to indicate opposition or conflict. No, go against, stand against, fight against. She decided to go against the proposal and suggest an alternative. They stood against the decision, believing it was unfair. When the team will fight against their toughest opponents this season, to refer to something in contrast or comparison, against the rules, against the law, against expectations. He was penalized for playing against the rules, and what they did was against the law, and they were arrested. Their performance exceeded against expectations, surprising everyone. To describe physical contact or pressure, lean against, press against, push against. She leaned against the wall to rest. The wind was so strong it pressed against the window. He had to push against the door to get it open, to express a protective or defensive position. Guard against, protect against, defend against. And we need to guard against potential risks in the market. The vaccine will protect against several common viruses. One in the Army was prepared to defend against any attacks, to indicate a disagreement or challenge, and argue against, protest against, speak against. She argued against the proposed changes during the meeting. The workers protested against the new working conditions. He was speaking against the policy, saying it was harmful.